Hello friends, so today we are going to see the top 5 most comedy romantic Japanese drama. On number 5 there is Operation K and Operation Love. K and Rin have been friends since childhood. Although he has been in love with Ri, but for years, but he never able to tell her on her wedding day when was getting married to someone else. Ken sees a picture of their high school with the picture in which they are both together, and he wish he could go back and change the past and change the part of their life, and he can go back and change everything, and he could ever be able to confess his love, so the things will be different. So as he was wishing this, as he was thinking this, at the moment a spirit appear and grant him his wish. So we have to see that if his wish will grant, or if his wish is going to be true or not. So go and watch that. If his second chance allows him to win over this time, will he be able to express his love? And go and watch the drama, and you will definitely going to like it with many laughter and with many tears. But yes, it is also a very drama with a full of a funny scenes, with a full of a comedy scenes. So don't forget to watch it, and also like my channel, subscribe my channel and like the video. I'm coming with the different video like this. So yes, hit the like button and go and watch this drama. You will definitely love this. On number 4, there is a rich man and poor woman. 29-year-old Toru Hyuga is a wealthy man. The first, he started to be an internet website from his small room, and his hobby began to make him make a wealthy man, and his hobby make him rich. Toru Hyuga has earned very lot of money, and he become a very wealthy man in his area and in his college. His mother left her when he was very young, and one day Toru finds a woman named Chihiru Swagger, and then the story really begins with many events, and there will be definitely going to make you laugh harder, as it have many funny moments. And don't forget to watch this drama if you are bored, if you are looking for a different drama. So go and watch this drama, and you will definitely love this drama with the many circumstances that will make you laugh over and over again. So don't forget to like this drama, and also go and watch and give it a try. On 3 number, there is We Got Married at a Job. In this drama, you will see a girl whose name is Moriyama Mikori, graduated with a degree in psychology from a prestigious university, but still she can't find a job. Her father is unable to see her suffering, so he arranges a work as a housekeeper in the house of 36-year-old Hiramasa Suzaki. He is also single and work in a company, but the circumstances and event of series happen, and they leads to them to marry as a working condition. They don't marry as a real one, but they marry as a contract marriage. But the funny scenes, but the event that will make you laugh harder and harder, and the family scenes will make you laugh even more harder. So go and watch this drama. This is one of the most funniest drama I have ever seen, and also most interesting drama. You will see a unique story, and you will definitely go to love it. So don't waste your time and go and watch this drama. We Got Married at a Job. On number 2, there is a dating what it's like to be in love. Before starting the story of this drama, I want to tell you because this is the most comedy drama. The most comedy drama I have watched, and the lead actress is the most funny one. The most funny one really I watched. So here the story starts. It is a bittersweet romantic comedy story. In this, there is two pairs. His name is Takumi and Yoriko. They are the man and a woman who has been an actor ever in this drama. Who have been no use for love, but came together to ultimate goal of marrying as a contract, or as marrying just for a formality. So goal of a marriage as a contract. So though the relationship begins with no romantic feeling involved with first, but they go on number of days in order to reach their list. The girl has very big list of 24 items of her ideal husband, how her ideal husband should be. But you will definitely going to love this drama, because this is one of the personal favorite drama, and you will going to love the lead actor for her acting, for her funniest scenes. So go and watch this drama, and what happened next you will definitely going to enjoy. And this is one of most funniest drama I have seen. I'm repeating this thing again and again because it is the worth of it. Go and give a try to this drama. This drama is being very famous in their time, but now the people don't know, but I love this drama very much. Go and watch this most romantic drama and most comedy drama. And now comes the number 1. On number 1, there is a Norame Kontabai. In this drama, you will see the Shinji Chiaki, who is an arrogant and a multilingual perfectionist boy. and he is a top student at his musical college and has a secret dream to become a conductor in the music industry. But he is talented in piano and violin and wants to live in abroad, but is trapped in Japan because he has a phobia of airplanes, of flying, and of the ocean. So he never make a dare to go any abroad. So he has lived in Japan only. Then Nodame is a girl. He's also very talented in a piano, and she is also in the same college. And she is very messy girl. She is very eccentric girl, the opposite of a Shinji. So also but she is very talented. She is very have the talent of a music. She is regarded as a playful girl. When they both met by an accident, Nodame falls in love with a Shinji very quickly. But Shinji no longer interested in her. And now the further story I'm not going to tell you because I will ruin your suspense and I will ruin your story. So go and watch this drama and you will love this drama and you will come to know the why I have put this drama in the number one. This is the most funniest drama I have ever seen. So go and watch this drama and give the quick and give the try and you will could definitely going to love this. If you're bored of the melodrama, if you're bored of a sad drama, if you're bored of watching the sad drama, so go and watch this drama and you will find the most funny drama and you will be laugh again and again and again.